Hey Shooby-Doodlers, how are you doing? Well, J321 asked me, "Hi Shoo, my brother I8K321 commented on a different video requesting how to draw an onion. I have the same summer drawing challenge as wondering if you would be able to draw a sandal or something similar. Thanks a lot." I drew an onion last week. And so I'm going to draw like a flip-flop. And so we need this kind of, right, like it's a curve like that, and this is coming around, so this is going to be the toe part of the flip-flop, and then that is the heel. Okay, so if you want to work this out, look, there's a kind of an ellipse there, and there's kind of an ellipse there, and you join them with that curve, and then out a little bit, and then a curve in there. So the toe, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down like that. And flip-flops are just a piece of foam, aren't they, which are sort of cut out. They have a cutout, goes like that. So the toe is, the big toe bit will start round about there, and then they punch a hole through about there and about there for the thong part. So that's going to come up there like that. Okay. And then this is going to sort of come around like that, so there's a curve there and a curve there, and it gets kind of thinner, and then here that's going to curve around like that, and you're going to get a bit of thickness in underneath it into about there. So where to start? I think round about here. Now I'm going to start there, I'm going to go up and around, and I'm going to stop it about there. And then here it's going to come around and swoop down. So what we're really kind of wanting is for this to be coming like that, and around and down to about there. And then you get kind of an underneath like there. This is going to kind of go that way. So that will come around like that. And then we're going to want to see kind of the underneath coming down there. Then we can draw in the, and then come all the way down like that. So then that will come down to about there, and we can bring that around to about here, and then we want to get that kind of crinkly flip-flop foot sole kind of thing. Let's bring the toe strap bit about there. And I'm going to start around about here and draw that all the way around, and then just kind of dot it around there like that. When you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase those pencil lines. And I'm going to put a little line down there because let's say we got really hard sun on this because we're on the beach or something like that. You're going to want a bit of shadow there and there, and I'm going to put some really hard shadow in along the floor here as well. If you want to watch me paint this, come and join me on Patreon. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.